You're watching How Leap. Let's share your Android screen to an iPhone during a Google Meet call. First, ensure both devices have the Google Meet app installed from their respective app stores. On your Android device, start or join a Google Meet meeting. Once in the call, tap the screen to reveal the menu, then tap the three dots in the bottom right corner for more options. From the menu that appears, select Share Screen. A system prompt will appear asking for permission to capture everything on your screen. Tap Start Now to grant permission. Your Android screen is now being shared with all meeting participants, including those on iPhone. For the iPhone user to view it, they simply need to be in the same Google Meet call. The shared screen will appear as the main video feed automatically. The iPhone user cannot directly share their screen back to Android using this method within the same call, as screen sharing is initiated per device. To stop sharing, tap the Stop Sharing button that appears on your Android screen. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.